If you suffer from rheumatoid arthritis or any other arthritic condition, then this video is made especially for you. I'm going to be sharing a very simple homemade remedy. It's called the potato juice therapy, and it's guaranteed to help you. Stay tuned. The raw potato juice therapy is an age-old alternative treatment for arthritic conditions that has been used for centuries, and it is one of the most successful alternative treatments for these conditions. Because raw potato juice has anti-inflammatory properties, it is able to reduce inflammation and the subsequent pain, especially during the colder months when joint pains tend to flare up. So back in the days, the way that they would make potato juice was to take a medium-sized potato, wash it properly, and then they would cut it into thin slices with the skin on. Then they would place it into a large glass and fill it up with cold water, and then they would just leave it like this overnight. Then in the morning, on an empty stomach, they would drink this water. Another way in which you can make raw potato juice is to place the sliced potatoes with the skin on into a blender with water. And then you just blend it up, strain it, and drink this fresh first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also use an electric juicer to juice the potato with the skin on and dilute this juice with water 50-50, and then drink it fresh first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And you can continue to do this every day until you get the desired results. For diabetics, the intake of this juice should be moderate because it can elevate blood sugar levels. This juice can also cause gastrointestinal distress if it is not prepared properly or if you drink too much of it. When preparing potatoes, ensure that there are no eyes or pits in the potatoes used. There are certain toxins in fresh green shoots of potatoes that can cause diarrhea, stomach upset, and nausea. So only clean and fresh potatoes should be used to make this juice.